welcome to Pay the Pool Man. Today we're going to walk through how to run your cash or accrual based P&L statement on Pay the Pool Man. So let's start in the More tab under Reports. We'll click Accrual Profit and Loss first. So here under Accrual Profit and Loss, we're going to see we have a date range to select. Let's go ahead and just do January of this year. We'll do January 1st, and then we'll do today's date. And let's run this report. So we see our total income generate, we see our expenses calculate in, and we can see that's just credit card processing fees here. Then we can see our net income, and we can see our total discount given. So this is going to be anything that was entered as a negative number or as a discount item on an invoice. So this can be used to send out to an accountant or maybe to do your taxes on your own. You can also export this if you need to or print it, so keep that in mind. And then we also have the cash-based profit and loss. And this one's a bit different because it's got some clickable items here for you. So let's do the same dates that we just did, and we will generate. Okay, so here we can notice the difference is going to be these two items are clickable. So we can click here and see the breakdown of everything that makes up that total income. We can also click here and see anything that makes up that discount amount. And then we can see our net income and expenses as we could on the other report as well, and this one's also exportable. So if you have any questions about either of these reports, please let us know. And also if you do work with an accountant, make sure that they are comfortable with these reports or receiving these reports for you when working with Pay the Pool Man. And if you need any questions answered, please feel free to reach out, and we'd love to assist you with the software. Okay, thank you.